How would you like it if every year I changed your health insurance benefits without even asking you? I could change any feature I like. I could raise your premium and your copay so you have to pay more out of pocket. I could even take your family doctor and your hospital out of the network so you couldn't use them anymore. I might even change your prescription drug plan so your drugs aren't covered. Now, before you get mad at me, know this: I would never do that to you or anyone else. But I can tell you who does every year, and that's any Medicare Advantage plan. Every September, MA plans send out what's called an Annual Notice of Change, or ANOC. The ANOC gives a summary of any changes in your plan's cost and coverage that will take effect January 1st of the next year. So what can we do for our clients if all MA plans can change and potentially increase their out-of-pocket costs? As a licensed agent, our responsibility is to protect our clients by educating them on what insurance is right for them. Yes, a Medicare Advantage plan is great for the right person. And who wouldn't want a zero premium plan? But it's important to protect your clients from unexpected changes. Don't let your clients be surprised by additional costs that an ANOC might bring. Let them know you're looking out for them by offering them a hospital indemnity to pick up those extra and potentially large out-of-pocket copays. They'll appreciate you for it.